miracles. Where you from? You sexy thing, you. Oh, I believe in miracles, honey. Since you came along, you sexy thing, you. Where do you come from?
Good morning, Marina di Ragusa, liveaboards. Today is Saturday the 13th of April, and the net is brought to you this morning by Kath and T on the small but good ship Callad on Charlie Pontoon. The weather this weekend, whether you care or not, will be the weather. Mostly sunny and cloudy, with highs of 15. Today looks clear, but there might be some light showers heading into Sunday afternoon. Wind will be from the west-northwest, 8 gusting 19 in the mornings, increasing to 14 gusting 28 in the afternoon. Are there any birthdays, anniversaries, bar mitzvahs or vow renewals we can help you with today? Go ahead, please.
Felix.
Go ahead, Felix.
Hey, it's Captain Hawkins' birthday today, so of course if any of you see him, say hi. He'd be so embarrassed, so all the merrier. Over.
Huge happy birthday to Captain Hawkins, who would love to have lots of happy birthdays on the pontoon. That's what I can hear. What I can gather is that we've got splicing on Monday, 15th, at 6 p.m. with Enrico in the meeting room. And we've got our farewell barbecue on Wednesday the 17th of April. As people are getting ready to leave, boat jobs getting ticked off, the sun's coming out, we thought the vibe had changed a little bit and everyone is beginning to feel good. The net is now closed, standing by on 77.
We've been living at the marina for nearly 3 months now. Here's a little look at what we've been up to. So today we treated ourselves. We did 2 loads of washing. Cost us €7. But look how much clean stuff we've got now. It's everywhere. Adam won't smell really bad anymore.
This is our tender, it's called Love Me. And as you can see, it's very well constructed.
A useful handle there. Can't wait to take it out on the water and show it off.
It's going to go well. I'm a bit worried about it getting stolen, to be honest. I think maybe we need to put a bit of duct tape on it, make it look a bit beaten up. You can see it. Security for obscurity is what they call it.
What have you spent all day doing, Adam?
Trying to get rid of the stupid engine-driven fridge. Because some genius decided that you would have to run the motor to be able to have cold food, which is not the way we want to do things. So we've been falling back on this puppy, 12-volt one that runs on solar.
Yay! Clean energy.
It's been good fun.
How are you feeling, Adam?
I'm feeling really sad.
Why is that?
We're about to say goodbye to a dear old friend who's been with us since the start. He's helped us through stormy nights, kept us safe as we rocked gently in the harbour. It's Georgie's underpants. Georgie's mouldy underpants. You say goodbye, Emily?
I think so.
On your face!
Oh God, Adam! Today is the day we finally get the sails put on. We've not seen them up before. Really excited. We're just waiting for the nice men who are going to fit them for us to arrive. It's going to be a good day.
Donne-moi l'adresse d'une sirène en détresse. J'ai besoin de soins pour un matin ordinaire. Et sans ordonnance, le long de mes côtes, personne ne m'accoste. Je suis souvent sage, mais pas si pacifique. Je t'embête et je rage. Regardez-moi, je cours.
we didn't get much sleep last night because there's a huge storm outside. The wind's blowing at about 55 knots. Everything's rocking. It was really noisy. Adam ran outside in the middle of the night to try and stop the halyard from just slapping against the mast and keeping us awake. But we're going to go for a little walk and see what's going on outside. Wish us luck.
Wish all the hashtags, likes and tweets will find a way to get lost. Yeah, and when I pull up to the scene, I wonder what the hell is the cost. And yeah, I know you never seen nothing like this before. Yeah, but this is different. You had to search to find some self-confidence.
What are you doing, Adam?
Trying to get my bloody sunglasses back from the bottom of the marina.
Can you see them?
No. And I'm not even confident they've got enough metal in them.
Can you not see them because there's too much sun in your eyes? They've disappeared into the murky depths. Aww. It's going to be a long day. So we're just getting ready for our hot chocolate celebrations.
Chocolato.
We have lots of chocolate related food and drinks. As you can see.
Cacao.
And we've got some yummy looking cakes, which we're trying to stop Adam from eating. And I think we're all ready. We just need some people now. That's beautiful. Yeah. We really like it. It is fantastic. Just do another video. Thanks for coming. See you later, Adam.
I'm off. This is me. Oh, freedom. Oh, it's good to be off into the big blue.
Yeah.
On our latest
Have a safe trip. Have you got food, water?
trip. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. So off we go.
Well, I'll see you in a few months then.
Okay, cool. Other side of the Atlantic, yeah.
Yeah, row harder.
Yeah.
Do you want to untie the rope that's attaching you to the boat?
Nonsense. I'm off.
See you later.
Si j'entends dire depuis ma cache à l'eau que mon plus beau crime est d'avoir aimé de trop, alors là c'en est trop.